recording this because you look excellent, very beautiful, elegant, very healthy.
Yes, I feel so.
Okay, what is your question?
Because I was, I did not know that swimming is so healthy. Swimming is so healthy.
Of course, it is compared to yoga even. The yoga and the swimming is a very like a comparing thing actually.
Yes, because I was taking care 2 weeks in Germany, in Kandel. I was taking care of this dog. And there is a very nice swimming, how do you say, swimming pool.
In the lake?
No lake. No lake in Finland is lake, but here.
In Switzerland, it was not lake?
I was in Germany.
It was in Germany.
In September I go for 1 week for taking care of the cat. There is the Lake of Lutzen.
Okay.
Then I can swim Lake of
That's very good. So you do many things, doing yoga, swimming, healthy lifestyle, dancing. Very good.
Dancing, yes, really. You can. I was every day half an hour, 40 minutes, 1 hour swimming, and afterwards I went to yoga at Novartis, and I could do everything. I really now I
looking very good.
Yes.
Very good.
Yes,
So
this week I have already in Rien there is a nature swimming pool. It's like a lake. Yes.
So now tell me how many years you finished on the earth in this birth?
In September I am 79.
Oh yeah.
79, not yet 80, but 79. And I become younger and younger.
Good. Perfect. Recording, you just hold it.
Yes.
Yeah. Can you see me?
Yes, now I can see you. I can see you.
Namaste. Okay, thank you. This round we do with variations, feet together, open arms in the chest. Exhale, hands together. Inhale, arms up, arch back. Yes, very good. Interlock the fingers behind the back. Very good. Hands on the mat, other leg back. Exhale, drop the knees forward and the chest on the mat. Inhale, head up, chest up. Very good. 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Change the leg. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Release. Now change side. Left arm up. Release. Now bend your leg. Very good. Other leg forward. Smile.
Just